Hi, it's Patricia from the Southwest Yankee. What some middle-aged woman will do. Birds. Birds, birds, birds. Light moment. Let the birds fly above the earth in the open expanse of the sky. Genesis 1b. So we're doing a shout out to Vidalia. She loves her birds and her flowers. So I was driving the other day and it made me have a flashback. Not to vultures. This was a vulture literally looking down from a light pole. And it made me think of, like, a few decades ago, I was working at a Y, and we had like a training at the camp. And I'm walking through the woods, and there the owl was. You know how you feel like someone's looking at you? Well, I look up and the owl is looking down, and I'm telling you, they're huge. Okay? You think vultures are big. Owls are huge. So, this is an ode homage to birds, and I will be having pictures of, I don't want to give it away, but they're going to be, you know, looking at you. Anywho, so remember to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.